Okay, I was asked to do this problem. A steep mountain is inclined 74 degrees, and we try drawing a picture. That may not be 74 degrees, but anyway, go with it. And rises to a height of 3,400 feet above the surrounding plain, so that this would be 3,400. A cable car, and I think they made like a gondola or something, not like a cable car like San Francisco, is to be installed running to the top of the mountain from a point 930 feet out from the plain. So here's 930. Well, maybe not drawn to scale. How's that? Not to scale. Excuse me. And the plane is the base of the mountain. Find the shortest length of cable needed around your answer to the nearest foot. So what we're looking at is this. Okay. And we want to come up with this shortest, this length of cable here. I'm going to call that L. So we can use law of sines if we have this side here. I don't know what to call it, X. If we have that side and this angle, well, this angle is easy to get. That's 180 degrees minus 74 degrees. And what would that be? 106 degrees. So if we can get X, then we can use law of cosines to find that length L. And we can find X because we know this side, we consider the height, perpendicular height, that's altitude, how it's defined. And that's going to be opposite over hypotenuse. So sine of 74 degrees is 3,400 over X. So X times sine of 74 degrees equals 3,400. Divide by sine of 74 degrees. X equals 3,400 divided by sine of 74 degrees. So let me get my calculator out, and that'll give us our X value. So I'm going to pause while I get there. So I have the value of X to be 3537.018082. I guess this is in feet. Okay. So now we have this side. We have the X. We have this side. We have the angle. So we will go with L squared equals 930 squared plus 3537.018082 squared minus 2 times 930 times 3573.018082 times cosine of 106. Okay, so our L squared is going to be what? I'm going to put this in the calculator now. I have 1518877.73. So L would be the square root of that, and the square root of that result is 3897.277862. And I guess we go to the nearest foot. That's what we have here, 3897. Yeah, this is the nearest foot. Okay, that's it. Hope that helps.